Hey guys, today I'm checking out Tillery Kitchen and Bar. It's a new restaurant on the east side that is inspired by Mediterranean flavors, and it's supposed to have a gorgeous patio, so stay tuned. So this is the entrance, and you can see straight through to the patio in the back. So this is what you see when you get here, and you're greeted by the beautiful river, and this is their amazing patio. It's really pretty, and of course they have a dog-friendly patio. This is a 360-degree view. Pretty bar. So this is the Tillery Tea Time cocktail, and it has bullet bourbon, black tea, honey, thyme, and lemon. And it looks very yummy. And this one's the Herbal Ruby cocktail with Tito's handmade vodka, grapefruit, rosemary, and honey. Okay, so we ended up ordering the potato fritters to start. Well, we ordered a lot of food, but also the pickles. And we're gonna start with this, and then there's more food on the way. This is so good.
Pickled jalapeno from the pickles is really good.
We also got the beef sliders that look amazing. Real good. Goat cheese, and just really simple but really delicious.
No, so. Right? It's like almost like a slice of.
This is their parpadelle. Go ahead. Parpadelle pasta with a raw egg yolk, and it has pork confit and just a lot of incredible, delicious stuff. Wow.
Find a garden in me.
Yes. And then we also got the soup of the day, which is today is a kale salad or a kale soup. And then this is the pork cubano sandwich. And then this is their version of the grilled cheese with tomato.
Peanut butter.
So you thought we were finished, but we're not. Now we're having dessert, and this is the chocolate pecan pie. And then we have the ice cream trio, which is kale, peanut butter, and raspberry. Yum.